Okay, mock test. Okay, so today, as I look through the what you all have given me, for some of you, this one, you did the worksheet, right? Like some of you did the worksheet here. Don't worry about all the red color answer. We will go through together later. Okay. Then after we are done with that, okay, we have to clear a few things up. We have to clear last week's paper because there were like 2, 3 questions that we haven't finished last week. No time, right? So I hope you still have last week's worksheet. If don't have, never mind. You just take a look at my screen. Okay, I'll share the screen with the worksheet. Then after that, at the end of it all, before we say bye-bye, 5 minutes look at for 8 questions. I think 5 minutes more than enough time, actually, Can put 3 minutes even. Okay, but depends, depends. Okay, so it's a revision because next week is supposedly a mock paper. You all have a chance to test whether you all can apply. Try your best lah. Okay, people, you all are P6 now. Okay, this year you all are P6 already. You all are the seniors of the school already. You are facing like this very big, very major, very important exam. Important, correct or not? You all agree with me? Important. Because it will decide on where you go, So if like some of you wants to go, let's say for example, Caitlin, you want to go into Raffles Girls' School, then you must be example. Okay, you want to go into a particular school of your choice, then you must get a certain score, correct or not? So even if you say, but I have no preference, lah, all schools are good schools, lah, you say, I can go to any school. Yeah, but some schools are far away from where you live. Some schools are nearer to where you live. So if you sway, you cannot get to any school that is nearby, then you have to travel 1 hour plus every morning, take train or bus or whatever to that school because your marks, right, cannot go anywhere near you. You must be thrown to a school further away. Then I tell you, really, from real life experience, you will suffer for 4 years. Okay, so just a small advice to you. If you want to go to a school of your choice, better study. If not, you have to. Beggars can't be choosers, correct or not? Okay, so try your best. Take all this as okay, one more person. Last person is it enter? Yeah, let me double check. How many students are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
I'm supposed to have 7. Okay, all is here already. Sini wanna go SOTA? Hey, I have a student from SOTA, She's Sec 3 this year 3 lah. But SOTA don't take O levels. If any of you are interested to go to SOTA, those of you don't know what SOTA is, go Google. But it's around Bugis area. No, Orchard area there, right? Orchard, Bugis, Orchard lah, right? Orchard area there, basically it's a school of the arts, right? School of the arts. Inside it's not just drawing lah. There's like what's the thing called journalism, there's like drawing, there's like poetry, novel writing and stuff like that. So it's quite cool. And you all take O levels up. So keep in mind, Sini, if you go to SOTA later, you'll be under the IB program, different. Okay? Okay, everyone is here. Anyone visual arts? Yes, correct. Visual arts like the animation and all that, right? Drawing also have. Okay. Anyone have any questions about like school that you want to ask me, right? If I can help, I will answer. Okay, but if not, then let's start first for our worksheets today. Because you have a few to cover, right? Okay. Along the way, can you open worksheet 18 first? Along the way, as I go through the questions, I might like take some points out and revise them with you a bit. For example, if we encounter electricity question, and then I will take some time to ask you to make a little bit of notes at the side. Not like the entire chapter notes lah, no lah. Okay, just about that part. So like get ready to be able to have like pen, paper, pencil, or your tablet if you want. Okay, to write down some notes somewhere. Hey, you're still having tests, Why
No.
so late one? Not ready yet? Okay, I'll give you 30 more seconds here. Okay, to open up. Because from what I know, a lot of my students finished their test already, Waiting for paper only. Who finished already? I think most of them finished already also, right? Yeah, your face. Okay, all right. Ready, Hasana? No, Jaan, okay. It's not like I was asking you to on the video. I was just finding your profile picture cute. So that's why I say your face. But if you want to on also can. Okay, if you want to off, then make sure I will see some responses from you so that I know you are awake lah. Right? Next Tuesday is my science NWA. Okay. Ready or not, Hasana? Ready? Okay, Hasana, later you let me know lah. Okay, put down later. Hey, I cannot find my mouse. Where is it? Okay. Can I start with the worksheet now, Hasana? Are you ready? Yes? Okay. The rest of you, come, let's look at. Hey, what happened? Yeah, something's happening. Wait, give me a moment. I want to reopen my paper. Okay. Okay, P5, P6 topics. Again, first question. First question already, like, I see those of you who have done, right? A little bit wrong in the way you all understand the question now. Okay, this one is a P5 topic. This one is a topic on systems, right? Systems, body system. In particular, is talking about the circulatory system lah, this one. Okay, wait, I'm on my chat and put at the side for a bit. Okay. Okay, so they asking, right, this graph, okay, some people from yesterday's class apparently told me that they are not sure about reading graph. Over here in this class, who is like not really comfortable reading graphs? Wait, I cannot press anything. Hold on. No wonder lah. They lagging everywhere, lagging also. Okay, recover. Anyone? Raha? Anyone else? Xiangkun okay with reading graphs? Cinnamaro? Wait, danger. You know why? I see Caitlin's name on the screen already. Later got some scribble here and there like last week. No. Okay, let's look at the graph, okay? A graph, usually, even if you know how to read a graph, let's just follow through again. Maybe there are some points, new points for you to learn, okay? So when you look at a graph, okay, you realize that there's gonna be these things, okay? These things are called axes. Axis is plural, singular. The spelling is different, but the pronunciation like same like that. Axis, you know? Okay. Something is wrong in my screen now. Like there are words missing Very weird. Y'all can read my writing, right? Nothing was cut off. Nothing cut off. Okay. I think it's just my screen. Okay. So these two axes, right? They put there. You see that there's like a variable attached to each of the axes. The horizontal one, the vertical one. Actually, the axes got name one lah, people. If you want to, for now, not important, but next year important. So if you want to, right now, you go and label the axis name first. The horizontal axis, right? We call it the x-axis. X-axis. The vertical one, we call it the y-axis. Okay, because in secondary school, set 1 next year, the teacher won't be asking you, okay, now label this on the horizontal line, horizontal axis. They won't call it that. They have a name for it, so they will call the name for it. Okay, so they'll say, okay, label, put this value at the x-axis, put this value at the y-axis, that kind of thing. Okay, Ling, why are you talking Chinese to me? Is that, okay, so on the x-axis, right, what is the variable that you're gonna put in? Because you cannot anyhow put in one. Okay, the variable you want to put in is always all the time is the independent variable. Those of you whose schools don't use independent variable, you all use what's the name?
Change variable.
Change variable. Same thing. Okay, same thing. Some schools use this, some schools use that. Okay, so you must identify first in the question context what is it that you sorry, not independent. People. Dependent variable. Cancel the IN in front of your notes. Dependent, dependent variable then is the measured variable. The data that you are going to measure at the end of your experiment, be it time taken for this to happen, be it number of bubbles, color change, what else? Anything that you want to measure at the end of the experiment. Okay, you put it here. Then on the y-axis, then you put your independent variable. Hey, something is wrong with me also today, leh. Yeah, people, I'm sorry for asking to keep erasing, but I keep misreading the numbers here. So it's actually correct at the first. This is final answer, don't worry,
Oh, I
It's
was
just that when I
right.
look sideways, my brain also goes sideways. Let me adjust my Wacom first. I think I need coffee today. Okay? Like that. Okay, can ready. But I cannot see you all very clearly, but never mind. Okay. So this
I
is
can't see
final
you
answer.
clearly also.
Final answer. Independent variable always put at X. The one you measure, you put at Y. Okay, so this one put measured variable. Confirm. Okay, confirm. Okay, so in an experiment, then you have to identify okay, accordingly. Then you plot the numbers. Okay, here no numbers. Let me teach you how to plot numbers because that time we had a question giving you data in a table form. So for example, very a simple one for example, so there's A and B, and then B has like values like 10 minutes, for example. Let's say B is time, and then A is the heart rate, for example. Okay? Then this is 2, this is, heart rate cannot be 2. Heart rate is 56, 45, 40. Okay. Then B is 10, 15, 20. Okay. So they give you this table and then they say A is heart rate, B is time in minutes. And then they ask you to plot these numbers in the graph. You all know how to plot the numbers on the graph? Because some students, this is the part that they don't know. You all know, Raha, why you come black and white? Scare me. Okay, let's try and do together How I would do it, right, is that I will always look at the independent variable first. Because the independent variable is the one that's controlling the reaction or controlling the process. So I'm going to look at it first. So I'm going to look at B first. I look at the number that they give you for the first row because these two, 56 and 10, they're supposed to be related, correct or not? They're supposed to be affecting each other. They're supposed to have a trend with each other. So 10 and 56 must be related somehow. I'm going to show it in the graph. So on my x-axis, because B is my independent variable here, time, I'm going to look for the number 10. So let me erase, I got no space. Okay, so let's say this is 5, this is 10, this is 15, this is 20. And then this is 50, 56. And then 15, sorry, after 56, 60. Okay, something like that 70. Okay, here is in between 50 and 56 50 and 60 I just put the number here first because I want to let you all see clearer Okay, so first thing first, I'm going to look for the independent variable, which is 10. So this number, I put my pencil on the 10, and then I use my ruler. Here, I cannot show you, but let's pretend there's a ruler here at the side. Then I'm going to take my pencil and trace a straight line. Make sure, the reason why I need a ruler here, right, is because I don't want my line without the ruler. Sometimes your line might curve here, curve there, as steady as you think your hand might be right? Sini thinks that, I'm going to go to SOTA because I can draw very well, which is good, but doesn't matter how great an artist you are, use ruler, okay? Use ruler all the way to go up all the way, okay? Not until you go up from the graph no need to be so dramatic okay? Just go up to a certain height